Hey guys, it's the Train Freak and Little Freak here to show you that, hey, the mail train came by and dropped a couple of boxes off. So, let me show you what I got. And before we do that, I always remind all of my viewers to make sure you fill in the bell so that way you receive future notifications such as videos as these, like my mail calls, layout updates, contest, which the 300 subscriber contest closes Saturday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're not in on it, you better get in on it. The link will be in the description below. And make sure you thumbs up because that helps get my videos out to the YouTube world. Okay? So, let me show you what we got. Now, before I show you, again, I want to tell you a little backstory. I saw a post come up on eBay, and I thought I recognized the name, but I had to double check. And someone was selling a boatload of track. Flex track, straight pieces, 9-inch, 6-inch, various small adapters. There was 18-inch, 22-inch curved pieces, including the shorter versions of those. There was number 4 turnouts. There was a 30-degree crossing. There was number 6 turnouts, curved turnouts. I mean, a boatload of track. And it started off at a $100 bid or buy it now for $150 with, I think, like $20, $25 in shipping. And I thought I recognized the name. So I contacted this guy who happens to be a fellow YouTuber and is pretty well known in the YouTube community. And about, hey, I'm interested in what you got, but not all of it. I would like some of it. Would you sell? And Marty Misner, or MartyM, as his YouTube channel's name, worked out a pretty good deal with me on this. So let me show you the parts that I got, and of course the rest of it, I don't know what he's planning on doing with it. I think I might have worked out a deal with him, possibly, but that's going to kind of be a wait and see type thing. So, but let me show you what all I got. So hold on a second. I'm going to go ahead and unbox these things because he's got it boxed very well. And then we will show you everything that was in the boxes, okay? So we'll be right back. Alright, as you can see, I got a ton of flex track in my hand. And Marty actually threw this in. I didn't know this was coming. But I got 2 pieces of cork. So, and I don't know if you've ever seen these, but you can rip them in half. They pre-slice them. And it gives the cork the bevel, or for the road bed and surface. So got that. I got 28 pieces of flex track, and I mean it all looks relatively good. 2 out of the 28 was code 83, which is perfect for me for my industrial areas. I like to use code 100 on my main lines, and I like to use them in the yard, but when I kind of go off of the yard into like a little individual track, whether it's an industrial siding or a track that's going from the yard to the engine facilities, for example, I'll use code 83. Same with my repair car shops on level 1. So, a lot of track. This is going to really help. And this is what I was mostly after when I saw that eBay item. Some of the extra perks that I got in on it is I got 4 rail joiners, or re-railers. I'm sorry, re-railers. Aaron, I'm going to grab you these. Go ahead and set that cork up. Yep, just set it down somewhere. There you go, buddy. Speaking of rail joiners, I got a big old bag full of them. So re-railers and rail joiners. How about that?
Pretty helpful.
Yep. These I might use. I might try to toss these in there. I might not. If I don't, oh well. But I got a couple of Ys. So sometimes you can't always get a curved turnout, or you can't get a straight turnout somewhere, and sometimes a Y really helps. So, alright, here you go.
I don't know where it's set these.
We'll just set them down there somewhere. Set them anywhere.
I'll set them right here.
Alright, I got 4 number 6 turnouts, 2 lefts, 2 rights. Those, I love number 6s. He had number 4s and I didn't want those. I've got really long cars that just do not work well with number 4s. So number 6s are amazing.
6 the best.
That's right. 8s are too long. So these are all Hornby. A whole bunch of different curved. It looks like I got 2, what are these? 2 right-hand curves and 4 lefties. So 2 of them you can see are brand spanking new. So I think this is pretty awesome. Right, Aaron?
Pretty helpful, right?
Yep. And then last but not least, we've got another bag that is full of adapter pieces of different sizes. And he even stuck some bumpers in there too. Bumpers can be pretty good, especially like at the end of a classification track or something, you know. So, Marty, thank you for working the deal out with me. This actually helps us out quite a bit. Especially, you know, as the price of track just keeps going up and up and up. And I know you didn't need it. You're going to N-scale now. And so hopefully, you know, the deal that we worked out helps you out too. So I think it's a win-win for both of us. So, alright y'all, I'm going to let y'all have at it. Oh, sorry. If you have not checked out Marty's channel, I've got it in the description below. Actually, I'll throw a card up there. So there's a card in the top corner. Check out his channel. And if you enjoy what you see, because he's doing a brand new N-scale layout, make sure you subscribe and, you know, comment, you know, fill in the bell, so that way you're giving him your support as well. Now, if you just run over there to hit subscribe, YouTube will kick it off. So you do have to interact a little bit with them and then, you know, go from there. So, other than that, I'm going to remind you to also subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you fill in the bell so you receive future notifications, such as these videos. And do not forget, I have a contest, the 300 subscriber contest. The entries close Saturday, 11:59 p.m. Alright? And then this Sunday, for Sidetrack Sunday, we're going to play bingo. And we're going to have some fun. I've got awesome prizes to give away, so get in on that if you haven't already. I think I have maybe 30 people interested, so right now, if you join in, you got a good shot. So, alright y'all. Y'all be safe out there. I wish you the best week to come and a great weekend, because tomorrow starts the weekend. And don't forget about Sidetrack Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern p.m. And y'all be safe. Happy railroading.
Adios.